Hi, I'm Portia from DYMO, and today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for your LabelWriter 5XL printer. Open the box and remove the printer. Next, you will see your quick start guide. You will also find the power adapter, power cord, USB cord, and roll of starter labels. Take the power adapter and plug it into the printer. Then take the power cord, plug it into the adapter and into an outlet. Note that you must use the power adapter that comes with your printer. Different printers have different adapters. Your printer should now be turning on. Now go to dymo.com and select your region. Click Support, then Downloads, Software Drivers and User Guides. You must have your software downloaded prior to plugging your new LabelWriter 5XL printer into your computer. Your LabelWriter 5XL printer is now ready to print. We hope these basic tips and tricks will help you set up your LabelWriter 5XL printer. If problems persist, please contact the DYMO Consumer Care line for more support.